Hi, my name is Brian Sheezer. I'm from Trellis at the Heathman Hotel in Kirkland, Washington. We're here today to talk about making a burger with ground chuck. Now, when we think of burgers, we often go to the grocery store and we pick up ground beef. And an important thing to remember is look at the label, because all labels have a fat content on them. So not all ground beefs are the same. There's ground sirloin, ground tenderloin, ground chuck, ground round. So remember, look at the label and look for the fat content. Ground chuck is a specialty grind. You can ask the butcher, just go up to the meat counter and say that you would like to have ground chuck, and then he can direct you to the right grind. We're looking for probably 80 to 85% lean, and that leaves us with about 10 to 15% fat content. So remember, look at the label, look at how much fat is in your grind, and keep it for about 10 to 15%, or ask for a specialty cut ground chuck. In making your patties at home, it's really important to make sure that your surfaces are all cleaned and sanitized, that you're using gloves when you form your patties, and that you're using some of your favorite ingredients. I like to use cheddar cheese. You can fold a little bit of cheese into the burgers. You can top it with a little bit of blue cheese, fresh herbs, parsley, thyme, savory, good seasoning of salt and pepper. Serve it on a whole wheat bun, a little bit of fresh lettuce, sliced tomato and onion. Or if you want, just to serve it on a salad. You can grill your burgers or saute your burgers, even broil your burgers. So again, Brian from Trellis at the Heathman Hotel in Kirkland. We're talking a little bit about making a burger with ground chuck.